Hello guys, welcome back. Today let us discuss the time complexity of another example. Here we have some code, standard code. We are not concerned about the standard code, but we are very much interested in find the complexity of the user code, user defined code. In this code, what we hit an integer I and n equal to 8. So we have assigned a two variable I and 8, and there is a for loop for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So I equal to I plus 1 is nothing but I plus plus. And here we have the cout statement, and we have the return 0. So to find the time complexity of the code, we need to analyze the iterations. Initially, I start with the 1. Code begins here, I start with 1, and the I value is compared with the n value. So here n is 8. So it is compared, is I, that is 1, is less than or equal to 8? No. So the control goes inside and it prints the print statement hello world. It will print the statement hello world. After printing the hello world, the control comes over the increment part. Here I equal to I plus 1. Here previous I is 1, now the I will become 2. After incrementing, the control goes back to the logical comparison. So here I is 2. Is I mean 2 is less than or equal to 8? No. So again the second time the control goes inside and it prints the hello world second time. And then it comes back to the increment. Now I equal to 3. Then comparing, second time it compares. 3 is less than or equal to 8. Yes. Then it prints. Like that it goes on until the I value becomes 8, and 8 is compared with the 8. And then once the I value becomes 9, then 9 is not less than equal to 8. So the loop terminates here. So here for every iteration, so that means the loop start with the I equal to 1, continues until it becomes 8. So whenever the I becomes 9, that it is greater than n, the loop breaks and the control comes to the return statement and it stops the execution. So here the I is totally depend, that is we can say I is depends on n. I depends on n. So in this case the complexity is order of n. The complexity is order of n. So I can explain more simply why the complexity is order of n. Very simple to understand. Here, see, initially I is 1, then 2, then 3, until I becomes 8. After that it breaks. So the each iteration the I value is incremental 1. Other words, we can say the difference between the iteration of I value is 1. The difference of 4, 5, the difference is 1. So we have here constant increment value 1. I is the 1. Moreover, how many ones we have? We have 8 ones. So 8 times the I is incremented, and then the difference between the I value is same. So that's why we have here the same, so order of 1 times of n. So the complexity of this is order of n, right? Understand? See you guys. Have a great day.